Molecular genetics, mitosis versus meiosis.
A la Shmoop. So we're here talking about DNA replication now with Dr. Ruth Tenen, who is a guru on the subject. So Dr. Ruth, what are the two main types of cells in the human body?
Yep, so there's two types. One is the somatic cells. So those are kind of the regular cells that you think about. So your liver cells or your skin cells, muscle cells. The other type is germ cells or sex cells, and those are the cells that combine to form a new human.
Got it. So somatic, S-O-M-A-T-I-C, where does that, it's not from South of Market, right?
No.
It's done before that. What is somatic?
So soma means body. So it's basically body cell.
Got it. Okay, so how do somatic cells relate with germ cells? Are they sort of co-opetition? Are they frenemies? Or do they hate each other or just live separately?
They're pretty happy together. They're in different parts. So basically your whole body is composed of somatic cells and then just sperm and egg cells. Those are the only germ cells you have. And the germ cells are what ultimately combine to form your body. So they're required to form the somatic cells ultimately.
And how does a germ cell, because normal person, you think of a germ, ooh, that's bad, I want to not have any germs. But in fact, that would be bad, right?
It'd be bad to not have germ cells. Yeah, it'd be difficult to reproduce if you were a human.
So we need the germs to reproduce.
Right.
That just seems counterintuitive, but take it there. Okay, next, $5 word, mitosis. We touched on this a little bit earlier, but give us a good definition for mitosis.
So mitosis is the process of cell division that somatic cells undergo. So they take their duplicated DNA and they divide it into two new daughter cells.
Got it. So this is like the pants zipper thing with the ATCG.
So it's a little bit after that. So if you think about the cell cycle, which is basically how a cell goes from 1 to 2 cells, it starts off by replicating its DNA, and then at another point in the cycle is when the mitosis happens. The mitosis is just basically the physical separation of the DNA into two daughter cells.
Got it. Okay. Then what's meiosis? M-E-I-O-S-I-S.
Yep, meiosis or meiosis is basically the same idea as mitosis, but it's for the germ cells or the sex cells. And it's a little bit different because meiosis starts with a normal cell that has 2 copies of every gene. And then there are 2 stages of meiosis, 1 and 2. And ultimately at the end, you end up, rather than having 2 copies, just having 1 copy of each gene in the cell. And that's what the egg and the sperm are. So it's 1 copy that can combine to ultimately form a diploid cell.
Got it.
Yep.
Fair enough. Okay. Wow. DNA replication, a la Dr. Ruth.
What are the two main types of cells in the human body? What is mitosis? What is meiosis?